Hey guys, what's up? So let's talk about editing children using inlines. So currently we can create a new order over here. Like over here, if I go to order, I can add an order. But there is no way to manage the products. So how to introduce such kind of things? So exactly I'm going to show you using code. So before order admin class, what you have to do, you have to create a class, and this class would be order item inline. Alright. So I'll create a class and I'll name this class as order item inline. Okay, and this will inherit from admin dot. There are two type of things. One is stacked inline or another one is tabular inline. So both you can use. Stacked inline, in stacked inline it will come one over the other. In tabular inline it will come as a table. Okay, so that I'll show you how you can change it. So for timing I'm taking tabular inline. All right, so inside this what we have to do, you have to define the method to. So I'll write model equals to models dot order item. Okay, now last thing what we have to do, we have to introduce it to the order admin class. So I'll write inlines equals to order item inline. All right, now save this, go back to your browser, refresh, and you'll get a table over here. So you can see that the order item table are there, so you can manage your orders again, and what is the quantity, what is the unit price, all these things you can manage. Right, if you put stacked inline, like if I put stacked inline over here, so let's stacked inline, so you can see it changes. Now you can see it is stacked, one I order item 1, then 2, like 3. So whichever way you want to keep, you can keep it. You can also write autocomplete field equals to products, then it will automatically fill the things. All right, so this is how you introduce the stacked and the tabular inline. All right, now let's say you want to add a new section in our product, okay, for managing our tags. So how we can do that? So what, for that purpose, what we are going to do, we are going to register the tag models. Okay, so I'll go to tag apps, I'll go to VS Code first, and over here we are in store app right now, so we'll go to tag apps. Okay, under tag apps what we are going to do, we are going to admin.py. okay, you can register over here. So you simply write यहाँ पे from periods models import tag. Okay, so I'm importing tag, then I'm registering it. So for registering you can write admin dot site dot register. Okay, and what you're registering, you are registering tag app. Okay, that's it. Now you save this and go back to your home page. You can see that the tag app has been added. Okay, so this tag section has been added. All right, so you can go to your VS Code again, and over here under tag class you had admin models.py, you had registered, you had made a class called tag, and under this over here you just add a str method. So you write def double underscore str type annotation to be deleted, and यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे क्या रिटर्न करें, return self dot level dot. Okay, save this, go back, refresh, add tags. Now you can see that label is there. Okay, now using inline we can manage the tag on a product form. So open your admin model in the store app first. So I'll go to your admin model in store app. हमारा store app कौन सा है ये. Okay, so in the admin model I'll go to हमारा admin.py. Okay, now before product admin you will have to register this class. So product admin के पहले register करेंगे हम product admin. Okay, this is product admin, so over here we will register this. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create a tag inline over here class. ठीक है, but before tag inline class you will have to import a generic tabular inline over here. So already generic tabular inline I have imported, so you can write from django.content.contenttypes.admin import generic tabular inline, and then you can create a class and you name the class as tag inline. Okay, and this will be init from generic tabular inline. All right, now this is a special class, guys. Okay, over here what we are going to do, so class tag inline generic, I'll write models equals to tagged items. Okay, now in the product admin add an attribute inline equals to, यहाँ पे product admin कहीं भी एक attribute add कर दो उसको, inlines equals to tag inline. ठीक है, tag. Alright, save this, go back to your browser, refresh कर दो उसको. क्या हो गया, Control S, क्या बोल रहा है, store dot tag must have a model attribute. Let's see what happened. System checks identify some issues. Error क्या बोल रहा है, tag inline must have a model attribute. Tag inline, एक बार जाते हैं tag inline के पास, admin tag inline must have models. Oh, it's a model equals to tag inline. Now it will be running. Okay, now go back, refresh. Okay, now here you can see under tag, under products, you will have a, if I write add products, then I'll have a new tag over here. So earlier this was not there. Okay, now in this form you will get a new field called tagged items. Okay, so you can see tagged items. So make the tag to autocomplete by adding autocomplete field equals to tag under the class tag inline. So अगर मैं class tag inline के पास यहाँ पे write auto complete underscore field, autocomplete fields equals to, I'll write it as tag. ठीक है, सेव कर दो उसको. इसके बाद after that what we have to do, you need to define the search field in the model admin. So under tag app, if I go to tag app, कहाँ गया हमारा, हाँ over here, we'll need to define a class. So I'll define a class tag admin. Okay, and this will inherit from admin dot same model admin. Okay, and यहाँ पे I'll have to introduce the search field. Search fields equals to, यहाँ पे मैं दे दूंगा इसको एक label. Okay, now decorate this particular thing class with a admin dot register and यहाँ पे दे दो tag. ठीक है, and then you can delete this individual things. Okay, now it is running. Go back, refresh. Now you can see the autocomplete field has been added. Since there is no tag added, so there is no nothing is being shown over here. Okay, so this is how you implement the tag in a particular product. Okay, so guys, that's all for this lecture, and I'll see you in next one. Next lecture we will see about extending pluggable apps, which is the last episode of this Django series 1. Okay, so after that we'll switch to Django series 2, wherein we are going to see building RESTful API, authentication and authorization process, logging, caching, sending emails and deployment. All right, so thank you so much for watching me, guys, and I'll see you in next video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more and more updates. Signing off.